Hello everybody and welcome to Them Fest. Today we have this Toyota Aygo. It's actually my Toyota Aygo. We're going to POV drive this car for you and have a look in how the car sounds, drives and what's about. I have a aftermarket exhaust on this car. It sounds a bit more fun.
Can you start the car for us?
Yeah, I can.
So, where's the wiper?
Yeah, wiper delete.
It's a wiper delete. Make
So
some revs.
It sounds kind of funny. Oh. Okay, but it's decent. It don't sound like a Red Bull blikje. A Red Bull can. I have a spoiler on the back. I have some stickers of Bolt-ons on the side of the car over there and over there. I have some aftermarket rims, and that's pretty much it because the car is still pretty slow.
Damn slow.
It's damn slow, yeah. We're gonna POV drive it for you and let us know what you think of this car.
Alright guys, so here we are in the Toyota Aygo. So it is a manual, it has a 5-speed manual transmission, and we have a engine in the front. And what is it for a kind of engine, Robin?
So,
Robin.
It's a 1.0 12V Comfort Edition.
Right.
So it has a 1.0 liter engine with 3 beautiful cylinders, whopping 69 horsepower.
69, really?
And it does a 0 to 100 in around 14 seconds.
And hear that engine roar. It is amazing.
So the car is from 2010, and yeah, you can definitely see it. It shows its age, but it keeps up quite well, and it is fairly cheap to drive.
Can you open the side windows maybe for a little sound?
Nou, ik weet niet of dat. I don't know if there's any difference in that. No, I don't think so. It's more embarrassing than that it makes a cool sound.
Yeah, it's your car.
Yeah, that's,
You're embarrassing as well.
That's definitely true. So further on, it has a top speed of 175 kilometers an hour, but I actually managed to drive.
175?
Yeah, on the. Yeah, the.
Oh, 157, not 175.
Oh, 75. Oh, sorry. It has a top speed of 157. Yeah, I'm sorry. But I managed to drive 175 with the car on clock, and it was like 160 or 165 kilometers an hour. So it's a little bit faster, but yeah. Nothing incredible on that.
Also, it has a torque converter. Like if you press the gas.
No, the
No,
clutch
it's not too much, but the clutch is a bit weak.
Yeah, it definitely is. And further on, this car has 93 Newton meters of torque.
93?
Yeah. So technically, it is like a moped. And the new price was 11,000 euros.
11,000?
Yeah.
For a new car?
Yeah, it's.
But I think the exhaust is worth more than 11,000.
No, it was not a very expensive exhaust, if I remember correctly, because I was like 10 when the car was bought. My mom bought the car and spec'd it as well. So at the dealer they fitted the exhaust and the spoiler and also the rims. And I was 10 when she bought it, and now it's my car. So that's kind of funny. And I did absolutely nothing else with the car. It's just like how it was. Only except for the stickers on the outside and the inside.
So what are the accessories on the interior?
Yeah, we have a very special phone holder.
A very special friend.
It's broke off like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So yeah, that's quite sad. But I have another one to the right on the vent, and it's a magnetic phone holder. Also, you can buy it on Boldons. Check out the link in the description, or just type in Boldons on Google and you will find everything. Also, we have a how do you call it in English? I guess it's a traffic light watcher or something, viewer.
Yeah, it's kind of funny because you can just watch like upwards more easily with this thing. So if you're close to the light, you will be able to see it.
Yeah. Otherwise, the roof will block the traffic light, but you can see it still with the traffic light viewer. I think that's the name. Further on, the sound system of this car
is non-existent.
Is non-existent, exactly. It looks pretty cool, but it doesn't work. And further, we do have a 12-volt stacker plug. It is also very, very nice, and you can buy your USB plug on Boldons as well. And yeah, I have a lot of sugar in here.
Shameless.
Yeah, shameless plug. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. This car is not very special.
We do have electric windows.
Yeah, that's quite nice. And we have AC as well.
Damn, you feel it immediately in your throttle.
I think now the car has like 15 horsepower.
This full throttle.
Pop, pop, pop. Oh no. So yeah, I love the car. It's pretty cheap in maintenance and like driving as well. The fuel is like incredible. You can put in 35 liters of fuel and you can drive like 600 or 650 kilometers with the car. So that's pretty good. We have a warning light as well. That's
Did something ever break in this car?
Brake.
Yeah.
Yeah, the brakes needed to be replaced.
Yeah, that's just common.
But no, nothing. Yeah, only the wiper in the back.
Yeah.
Broke off.
That's also like in the same time period as it is, I think.
Yeah. But this thingy is like was not included with the car.
All right.
But the wiper was. So I have to replace or fix that. But yeah, except for maintenance, this car just don't break. As Joep from the Netherlands always says, wat er niet op zit, kan niet kapot gaan. And that means what's not included can't break. So yeah, that's definitely true with this car.
You know what the nice thing about this car, I mean, we all know it's not fast, we all know it's not very luxurious or so, but it does make for a very fun drive, and it is really engaging.
Yeah.
Because you have the clutch pedal, because you have the manual gearbox, and also because of the sound. I mean, the car is not fast.
No, but the sound sounds fast.
But like at this traffic sign, we can make some very nice full throttle things. You immediately feel the AC. It's not that slow.
No.
Almost 100 in second gear.
Yeah. It does like 95 in second gear.
Yeah.
And then it goes into the rev limiter. And the rev limiter also sounds kind of nice, but
Yeah, I know. Do you want to?
no, it's
To
okay.
hear it?
It's okay. You can check out the other video where we reach the
The end of its life.
the dinosaurs all came out the exhaust then. But yeah, if you have like a short drive or you just drive, it sounds fun. It's the exhaust it's not a cheap exhaust, so it sounds cool. Yeah. You have also some exhaust that's like they fitted a can.
Like it's nice that they put in an AC compressor, but damn, you really feel it in your throttle response.
Yeah. And also if you are neutral and the car stands still, the revs are a little bit higher up because otherwise the car can't support the AC.
What I do actually feel is that the driver's position feels a bit odd, but only for me, because I know you are just used to this car, but my hands are pretty far away from the steering wheel.
Yeah, and you can't.
Like the steering wheel, you can just adjust it like this, but you cannot.
Up and down.
Yeah, you can only adjust the angle, but not the reach.
No. So if you have short arms, you have to sit closer. But if you have long legs, you can't reach the steering wheel as easy as in some other cars.
Let's make some flyby shots.
Yeah, we have to do that.
What did the car sound like
From the
outside?
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I know my car a little, so. But actually, it always is fun when your car makes a little sound to hear it from the outside, because you always hear it from the inside.
Yeah. So we actually do have a nice little story about this car. So we did a road trip when you were 18.
Yeah.
You just had your driver's license, and we went to go for a drive to Spain.
Yeah, to Barcelona.
With a couple of friends. And every time that we drove through a small village, somewhere in France or in Spain, and he was driving in front of me with this car and this exhaust, the whole street was just instantly looking at the car, just scanning for a supercar.
Yeah, but it was this car.
But there was no car, there was no supercar, there was just this.
Yeah, and they were looking, but there was nothing
and
else.
Every time that happened.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Yeah, the car just sounds amazing.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
we get a lot of questions. We get a lot of questions about this car on YouTube, like which kind of exhaust is on this car. But frankly, we don't really have an answer.
no, it's
After all these years, we still do
No.
not know what kind of exhaust this is.
So it is a exhaust made in Germany. It is a German exhaust. I looked that up, and that was what it was. And I also looked for the manufacturer or the brand that makes these exhausts, but I couldn't find this one in particular. I couldn't find this one. Also, no like other exhaust or the brand. Yeah, it's quite strange where the brand is went. I saw some other exhausts for the Toyota Aygo 1.0, but they weren't looking like this, and they look kind of cheap, and yeah, I don't know. So that's quite unfortunate, but yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
What's fortunate, make sure to subscribe to the channel, also give a thumbs up on this video, and we hope you like this video. We see you guys in the next video. Ciao!